Hey, why did you cut the call? Even otherwise, we are very certain to get in trouble. Not because of this. Look at this. Because of this. See? It's good that it came into my hands. Otherwise,
Obvious that she was in cahoots with Hriday. Am I right?
Yes.
So she must be knowing what extent Hriday can go to. So if anyhow she wants to save herself, she will surely come here.
What has happened to Mom all of a sudden? Why is she keeping secrets from her favorite Damini?
We need to find out who is working against us. Listen, Shekhar, call me as soon as you find out something. It's really urgent.
Actually, Radha. Except for Mohan and me, no one knows why I came back. Yes, but how did you know that I'm here to find out who was helping Hriday?
I found the traitor. It's Rahul.
I mean, whenever he used to come to meet Hriday, he used to wear a sari always. His face was always hidden. But looking at him, I am sure that he is the same person. I am sure about it.
The last time I paid you to keep your mouth shut and not identify me. This time I am paying you double. You have to identify him. You have to call him the culprit. Can you do that?
Lies, lies, lies! All these are lies! I didn't do anything. The priest, the accountant, they both are lying. Why doesn't anyone believe me?
Because you are talking nonsense.
No, Mohan, Rahul would never do such a thing.
Sir, are you sure you're not making a mistake? Please think about it once again. Was he really the person who came dressed in a sari?
I am not making a mistake. He is the same person.
Mohan, I think this is a big misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding. Fine, tell me one thing. Who received a letter today? Tell me.
Mom, Dulari, and...
Rahul, right? Damini told me about the letters that Aunt Kaveri and she got the letters too. Dulari told mom about the letter she got. You told mom too. Mom too told me about it. But there is only one person who didn't tell anyone about the letter. Because he was scared. So he tried to solve this problem on his own. But Hriday's phone is switched off, so he took Gungun to meet him despite knowing that Hriday could hurt Gungun. Right? Is it a coincidence that I found you at the place where who was in cahoots with Hriday was supposed to come? And you dressed as a woman.
do you mean you wrote those letters, Mohan?
Yes, Mom. You know, Mom, the priest told Radha that a woman used to come to meet Hriday. Then Radha showed me the picture she found in Hriday's trunk. That's when I found out that woman is someone amongst us. I didn't know that it was a man dressed as a woman. Okay, now tell me something else. Is it another coincidence that Hriday slipped through your fingers? Is it again a coincidence that he sprayed pepper spray on all of us except you? Rahul, stop him! Don't let him go!
Yes, Mohan. All this is nonsense. I didn't do any of this. I'm dressed as a woman for Gungun's competition.
Stop it.
Now stop lying, Rahul.
Stop it. Stop it, Mohan. Please don't do this.
Enough.
Look, sir, this is entirely your family matter. It's not appropriate for me to stay any longer here. I am leaving, sir. Accountant, let's go.
Mohan, why would Rahul do all this?
That's because he hates Radha. He got beat up because of Radha, and I was going to throw him out because of Radha. So he seeks revenge. If you dare to hit the girl, I will break your hand and throw it in River Yamuna. You know, I always knew my brother was a bit foolish. But I didn't know that my brother would stab me in the back. I thought my little brother was a bit simple-minded, but I don't know that his heart was full of hatred. But this girl Radha was the one who made me realize that my brother is my real enemy who is determined to ruin my whole family.
Mohan, listen to me. Rahul is not the one at fault.
Wow. Mohan, you are amazing. Now I know who is instigating you. This girl, right? How could you suspect your own brother because of this stupid girl? Listen, girl, you have crossed all your limits. Mohan, he didn't do anything. First, you created this rift between us brothers.
No.
And now you are pretending to be all innocent. Today, whatever the situation is, the humiliation that I'm facing, you are the only one who's responsible for it. I won't spare you. Stop.
Rahul!
Enough. You won't do anything. Do you get it? Do you?
No, please stop. Mohan, please leave, uncle. Please, Mohan, please.
You want to protect this man, Gungun? Your uncle Rahul? He's the one who tried to kill you. Because of him, you were stuck in the borewell while he pretended to be worried about your safety. I thought I was wrong about you these many years, but no, I was right all along. You are filled with hatred for us. You want to hurt us. I won't spare you.
Mohan, don't do this.
Tell me,
Mohan,
why did you do this? Tell me.
Mohan, let him go, please! Mohan, please stop! Stop it, Mohan!
I won't do anything now. The police will do the rest.
Whatever is happening is wrong. Sister Damini is the real culprit, not Rahul.
No. Don't call the police. Don't call the police, Mohan. Otherwise, Rahul's life will be ruined.
Mom, he's toying with people's lives. What about that, Mom? What if something had happened to Gungun or to Radha?
I agree that Rahul made a mistake, a huge mistake. But for the last time, forgive him for the last time. It was his last mistake. Next time, if he makes a mistake again, I'll ask you to call. You can call the police, but don't call the police this time, please. I beg of you,
Mom.
Mohan. Please, I beg of you, my
Mom,
son.
Mom, please, Mom. What are you doing, Mom? Please, Mom, don't fold your hands.
Don't apologize, Mom. I have done nothing wrong.
You?
Mohan.
Listen, whatever relationship we shared, it's over now. You are not my brother anymore. You are just my mom's son to me. You are allowed to stay in this house only because of her.
Mohan, listen. I've been wanting to tell you that Damini...
Yeah, I received Damini's message. I only told Damini about our plan. In fact, she was also trying to find that person. She even kept an eye on Aunt Kaveri, her own mother.
Whether it's a mother or a son, what is wrong is wrong. Am I right, Radha? Radha, when I messaged Mohan, he told me about your plan. You have made a huge mistake by doubting me. Do you know now who is the culprit behind all the wrongdoings?
No, Gungun. Don't come near me. Didn't you hear what your dad just said? I am not a good person. I'm a very bad person. I'm a monster, Gungun. And I don't love or care for you. The truth is I hate you. And I could even kill you. I'm that kind of a person from whom parents keep their children away. So you too should stay away. And what's our relationship that you are approaching me? Now, didn't you hear? Didn't you see? Didn't you hear that your dad just severed all the ties with me?
Rahul, what are you saying?
Which means automatically the relation between us is over. Our relation is over, my dear Gungun. It's finished.
Wow. We have become experts in dodging annoying problems. If this trend continues, then people will cite our example before they come into any trouble.
No, Mom. The problem isn't averted yet. But it's high time we averted it for once and all.
Don't cry, Gungun. Calm down. Gungun, don't cry. Oh Lord Krishna, tell me when it is proved that justice was served. Why do I still feel unsatisfied? And whatever happened was wrong.
Uncle Rahul is innocent. Uncle wore the sari just to help me with the competition. He doesn't even know how to wear a sari. This is Damini who told him to wear a sari.
Sister Damini?
Yes, it was Damini who told him to dress up like a lady. She provided him with the sari and the wig.
Yes, Radha. Rahul's anger towards Mohan is genuine. But his love for Gungun is equally genuine. Rahul can never hurt Gungun.
But Gungun, why did you guys go to the GP road?
Damini told us to buy a stick from the stick seller at GP Road and it would complete Uncle Rahul's look. Damini has done all this. Uncle Rahul is innocent. Why did Mohan hit Uncle?
Damini is behind all this, Radha. She made all the mistakes, but poor Rahul got punished for it.
Gungun,
I don't want to talk to you. You are evil.
Gungun? Hey, Gungun!
Gungun. Gungun.
Did Damini do all that on purpose? That means Rahul is innocent.
Even I think so, Radha. Rahul is innocent.
This is all that Radha's fault. That worthless, silly girl tried to frame me in this matter. Me. I won't spare her. And what should I say about Mohan? He didn't even believe in what I had to say. He believed what Radha told him. He easily believed the priest and the accountant, but he never believed his own brother. I kept pleading, begging and shouting that I didn't do anything, but no. He didn't think twice before beating me up. And moreover, he made false allegations that I was trying to cause harm to Gungun. Ketki, you already know. You know how much I love Gungun. You know that, right? For the first time in my life, for the first time, my anger and hatred towards Mohan was finally fading away. You know what? I started to consider Mohan as my elder brother, Ketki. But no. That man is never going to change. And that Radha will never let him change, Ketki. But I have had enough. I won't spare that Radha. I swear today, Ketki, I'll get rid of Radha. Not just from this house, but also from this world. That's a promise from Rahul Trivedi. I'll completely destroy that Radha.
Where are Mohan and Gungun?
Thank you so much, Radha. This family is indebted to you. When you returned to this house, I got really very scared. I thought you came back for Mohan, but that's not the case. You came for Mohan's family and not for him. Thank you. Today the truth has come to light because of you. And now your work is done in this house. So you can go back to your home now. Therefore, I have brought this farewell gift for you. What have you done? Why did you drop it?
It's because I'm not leaving. Therefore, I don't need a farewell gift. My work is not done here, Sister Damini.
Very good job, Radha. Damini should also know that you are not a servant whom she can fire whenever she wants.
What do you mean? It has been proven that Rahul was involved with Hriday. So what is left for you to do in this house?
A lot. Sometimes the truth is right in front of us. But we can't see it because someone blindfolds us. But truth needs no proof. The blindfold of deception loosens. And then everything becomes crystal clear. And I think that Rahul wasn't behind all of that. Actually, someone else was behind all that.
What do you mean, Radha?
The meaning is simple. Someone tried to frame Rahul.
Who was it?
It was you.
Are you out of your mind? How can you make such a serious allegation against me without any proof or reason?
I have a reason, Sister Damini. In fact, I have many reasons. I saw you and Hriday talking to each other countless times. When Gungun fell into the pit, even then, you and Hriday used to vanish for hours. When Mohan came to save me from Hriday, Hriday didn't have the pepper spray. But as soon as you came, somehow he got the pepper spray.
Tell me, Hriday, who do you work for?
You jumped in all of a sudden when Mohan and Hriday were fighting. Hriday took you outside by placing a knife. Hriday had already escaped by the time Rahul reached you. It's just a matter of perspective, sister, whether you were helping others catch Hriday or helping Hriday escape from there. You were his ally in his escape. You helped him escape. The police couldn't catch him because of you.
What nonsense is that?
It's not nonsense. It's true, sister.
It's nothing but a coincidence.
Coincidence? A happenstance. It means the simultaneous occurrence of two unrelated events, right? Tell me. can be ignored once or twice. But in the past few days, so many incidents have happened in this house that it can't be disregarded by calling it a coincidence. Should I tell you? On Haryali Teej, you tried your best to get me to break my fast.
I have noticed that you haven't had anything to eat or drink since morning. This is not acceptable. Let me feed you myself.
You accused me of theft. I would never commit a theft. Please believe me, sister.
You are lying again. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Mohan, and my photo got published in the newspaper. At the same time, the priest came and discussed my wedding.
Respect for those involved with the temple should be restored. This is possible only when it's done, otherwise
We
no.
will get Radha married as soon as possible.
Hriday entered into my life all of a sudden. Gungun fell into the pit. A snake entered the house. All those incidents can't be coincidences, sister. And the most important thing, if you have nothing to do with all this, then how did you know that I met Rahul on GP Road? And when I said I would inform Mohan about this, you tried to stop me. What were you afraid of?
I wasn't afraid. I was concerned for Mohan. That you would make up a half-baked story and bother him. That's why I did that thing. Rahul was involved with Hriday. The accountant and the priest, both of them are proof and witness of that.
It's not difficult for you to forge evidence and buy witnesses, Sister Damini.
Beware, Radha. Don't level a charge against me. That would cost you dearly.
People pay the price of lying, sister. But I'm speaking the truth. And the truth is, you were scared that Mohan and I would become too close. And therefore, you brought Hriday into my life. So that I would marry him and I would leave Mohan forever. Do you know, Sister Damini? A person's first responsibility is towards his family and children. But you jeopardized Gungun's life. Should I tell you one more thing? It's written in the Bhagavad Gita that the truth shines through lies in the same way that a flame shines through the darkness. You tried your best to hide the truth, but the truth has come out now. I might be forgetful, Sister Damini, but I'm not blind. Nothing is hidden from Lord Krishna. He punishes people for their lies and sins on earth. I hope you understood.
You are falsely accusing me, Radha, and I will not tolerate this at all. Do you think that you are a judge who would pass judgment and leave from here?
No, Sister Damini. Who am I to pass judgment on you? Now Mohan will decide if it's true or false.
Mother?
don't you dare make such a serious allegation against Damini. Don't you know? She is the future daughter-in-law of this family. She is my niece. I have known her since she was a child. She grew up in front of me, let alone doing anything bad for this family. She can't even think of doing such a thing. Do you know why? Because she is a part of this family. And Radha, you? Who do you think you are? What is your relation with us? Tell me.
Very good, Aunt. Your training appears to be over.
Mother, what are you saying?
You came to this house just a few days ago. And you made such a serious allegation against Damini. I always felt that you had feelings for my son Mohan. But I stayed in denial for a long time. I thought Radha would never do such a thing, especially because she was aware that Mohan is engaged to be married to someone else. I thought you were childish, naive and immature. But I had no idea that you would try to break my family apart.
Mother, what are you saying? You know that Radha is not like that. You also know that Radha loves Mohan a lot. And Radha is a perfect girl for Mohan. So why did you change your mind all of a sudden?
Me? Am I trying to break your family apart, Aunt? This family, the people of this family, are more precious to me than my own life. But Aunt Kadambari, you don't know that Damini...
Don't utter a single word against Damini, I warn you. Now, you won't stay in this house. Immediately, pack all your stuff and leave this house.
Mother!
I can't let you stay in this house anymore. I won't allow anyone to break my family apart. Just go away from here and never show me your face again. I am sorry, Radha. I raised my hand against you. I am helpless.
Aunt Kadambari, I came to this house to bring Mohan's happiness back. But I stayed because you asked me to stay.
I want her to attend my wedding.
We want to leave.
Please stay. If Mohan wants that, then I want the same.
And Aunt, the thing is that when I stayed here, I became indebted to this family. Now that I'm indebted, I can't leave without clearing the debt. So I won't leave. I won't leave this house until I'm sure that everyone living in this house is safe. I won't go anywhere. Aunt Kadambari, this is your family. But this is my family too. You have already given me the right to consider this family mine. So I'm sorry. You cannot take that right from me.
You are absolutely right, Radha. You are the only one who can thwart any danger looming over this family.
Aunt Kadambari, I don't know what's going on in your mind. But I am sure that you didn't mean what you said. When you slapped me, you didn't look angry. You seemed helpless.
Mother, now even Radha has realized that something is not right. So what did Damini do to you that you do everything she says?
What nonsense are you muttering? She left from here. And just because of you, Aunt's eyes were filled with tears. You have rendered her weak.
Sister Damini. A mother can be anything but not weak. I have understood Aunt that much in all these days. I don't know what you did to her or told her. But I know for sure how a mother slaps when she is really angry and when she is helpless. So I am firm on my decision. And yes, I know that you won't answer the question that I have asked you. Now the same questions will be asked by Mohan.
Radha. Radha.
Gungun. Gungun, listen to me. Eat your food, Gungun.
I don't want to eat food. I'm angry with you. Why did you hit Uncle?
Hey, wait and listen to me.
Mohan, listen. I need to talk to you.
Can't you see how angry she is? Let me feed her first and then we will
Why
talk.
are you feeding her? You should have told me. I would have fed her.
I'm her father. So it's my duty to feed her. Besides, you can't be trusted because you will leave eventually. I don't want to depend on you.
Okay, fine. You feed her. But I need to talk to you about something important.
Okay, tell me, what is it?
Mohan,
Hey,
actually.
Mohan, I hate you.
Let's talk later.
Mohan, listen. I cannot delay it anymore. I have to tell Mohan anyhow.
You have really gone insane. Aunt asked you to leave, but you haven't left. You have disrespected her.
I can't even think about disrespecting Aunt Kadambari, sister. It's just that you have heard what she said. And I have heard what she didn't say. You heard her words, and I heard her inner voice. Actually, she doesn't want me to leave this house.
I am marrying into this family. Aunt is my mother-in-law. Mohan is my husband. And Gungun is my daughter. And you have no right to interfere in my family matters. Understood?
No, sister. You are wrong here. You are not yet married into this family. Aunt is your future mother-in-law. Mohan is your future husband, and Gungun? She is not your daughter yet. Don't bring the future into the present. If I find out that you were involved with Hriday and you were also a part of his misdeeds and you even tried to harm our Gungun, then I swear to Lord Krishna, I'll ensure that you have no future with Mohan and this family.
If you think that you can scare me away from Mohan, then that's your misconception, Tulsi.
This is the right time. Right time to tell Mohan about Sister Damini.
Where is Damini going at this hour?
Oh my gosh! In this wedding card, with Mohan's name, why is Radha's name written instead of Damini?